650 million years ago, when Ra shared the company of light onto the earth and the photosynthesis took place, there was destruction. There must be destruction before there must be creation. There was destruction. Okay, so many species, some dead, some also went under the earth, and that is the dinosaurs. And so therefore they took the mitochondria into them, and then they mutated, and so they evolved into the birds that we see today. That's why IFA doesn't joke with birds. That's why AFA, everywhere you go, they tell you bring a bird, bring a fowl, a rooster, bring this, bring that. It's all about birds, because that's the primeval. That's why we have Heru, the falcon, eagle, this. That's why we use birds' feathers in initiations. Birds, birds, birds. That's the ba. Bur. B, bur. That's the sun. Bur. Like the sun, S-O-N, sun. Bur. Ba. The soul that was shared onto the earth. And so the egg has always been with us. Very powerful. So it's not chicken, egg alone. Any animal, any bird, whether it is falcon, whether it is eagle, whether it is vulture, whether it is ostrich, fricole, guinea fowl, name them. Duck. Duck is even more highly nutritious than even chicken, because they eat so many things, and their heart is very strong. So all the eggs are powerful. One duck egg is equal to 2 chicken eggs. So therefore we need the eggs all over. The Kalahari Bushman, they drink ostrich egg, and then they use the shell to store water later. And they are the oldest of the Bantu race. So Inkosia, Mena Kosia, Benewa. Already cooked. Already cooked. She's our mother. And she gave birth to Asa. And Asa also had 2 wives. Afi and who? Yeah. So you see Asa and you see 2 women beside. No jealousy. Everything was all right.